Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to set up a smooth, professional login form on your Webflow site, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you step by step through creating a custom login form in Webflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to build, customize, and preview a working login form, the kind that makes your site feel sleek and secure for users. Whether you're building a members-only section or just want to polish your project's user experience, we're covering all the must-know details. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to add an element to your Webflow canvas. Think of this as setting the stage for your form. Click on the Add panel. This is where you'll find all the building blocks for your site. From here, select Container. A container helps keep everything nicely centered and ensures your design looks neat and professional on every screen size. It's almost like the frame around a painting, making sure everything inside it stays just where you want it. With your container in place, it's time to add the form itself. Find the form block element in the Add panel and drag it right into your container. This block is basically the engine of your login form. It handles user input and the all-important submission. You'll see it comes with some default fields, but we're going to tweak these to fit a standard username and password login setup. Now let's customize the form so that it's clear to your users what they're logging in with. Select the form and in the settings, rename it to something like Email Login. Giving your form a clear name is helpful, especially when managing multiple forms. It gives you and anyone else working on the project an immediate sense of what this form is for. Next, let's update the fields themselves. By default, the form gives you a name and email input. Since this is a login form, we want to make sure users are entering their email address and their password. Click on the name field and change this one to be your email address. You can do this by updating the field label and placeholder text. This step is important because people need to know exactly what information is expected. Now let's turn the email field into a password field. You can simply relabel it to password, but don't forget to set the field type to password as well. This ensures that while users type, their password is hidden, a tiny detail, but a crucial one for security and user trust. We're almost there. Now let's refine the last piece, the button. Change the Submit button's text to say Login. This not only looks more professional, but it's also a clear indicator to users that they're accessing a login form, not just sending information to a subscription list. Little touches like this go a long way towards a smooth user experience. You've got your form looking just right. At this point, it's really important to double-check the form's layout and wording. A good login form is all about clarity and ease of use. Pretend you're a first-time visitor and see if each step makes sense. Once you're happy with everything, it's time to see your hard work in action. You can either click the Preview button in Webflow, which lets you interact with your form as if you were a real visitor, or you can go ahead and publish your site to make the form live. Sometimes this preview step is where you'll catch little things you want to tweak, and that's totally normal. Take a moment to test the login out, maybe even ask a friend to give feedback if you want that extra polish. And that's it, you've built a stylish, functional login form in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop them in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Make sure you subscribe for more clear step-by-step Webflow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.